First, clean the surface. Remove the backing film. For an optimal result, ionize the surface. Evenly wet the acrylic glass panel with ASLAN transfer liquid. Place the MirrorEffect film on the panel. Remove the backing film in one piece. Lay the film down with the adhesive side facing upwards. Wet the adhesive side with a mixture of water and dishwashing liquid. Place the MirrorEffect film on the panel with adhesive side facing down. With a soft squeegee, push out the liquid starting from the center of the film to the edges. Now, for the second run, push out the liquid with much more pressure to remove the liquid completely from underneath the film. Your board is done.
Before the lights and the concrete which fill them up today. Before the plastic promises that sold us what was free. I remember a better side of this.